Hello everyone, this is Fazal Ur Rahman here from codebook.in. Everyone nowadays uses social media platforms and they are enjoying sharing memes. Okay, most of the peoples will share the normal memes for laughing purpose, for laughter purpose, to enjoy the current situations, what's going on. But some of the peoples, mostly in social media platforms, spread hatred. Okay, so by using memes, they spread some offensive or toxic content. So in this project, we are going to detect such kind of users, those who are sharing some hateful memes in social media platforms. So this is the application, this is a landing page. Let me explain you the project step by step. Basically, this project is having two different types of users. One is the administrator who will monitor the complete application process. And the second user is the normal user, the social media user. You can see this interface is a kind of Twitter kind of user interface we have created. Now, for the better execution process, I will execute these two users in two different tabs. Let's say first tab I will use for administrator, and second, a new tab I will open for user. First of all, let me log in into the admin portal and show you what other things are available, what admin can perform in this project. Admin login I have done, and admin login successful. This is the dashboard of the administrator where we can see some information like how many number of total users are available and how many posts have been done, total post. Feedbacks from the users, 16 feedbacks are there. Pending users, which means the account's authorization is in pending stage. Next, accepted users, the authentication of the accounts has been done very correctly. Next, we have got restricted users here. Restricted users is nothing but the administrator have restricted some users because they are sharing some sort of hateful memes in the application. Rejected users means the account has been rejected. So let's proceed with the user management portal now. In this, we are having some three options. Let's go to the pending users where we can see one user details is there here where the status of the account is pending. Okay, if administrator wants to accept the account, he can click on the accept or reject it. Next, we have got user management here, under which we have got all users where we can see approved accounts users here, all the approved accounts. Every page is having 5 records. Okay. Now, if administrator wants to change the status, like if I click on change status, you can see user restricted. Okay, the user is restricted to use the application. Now, this user cannot use it. If the administrator wants to remove the account of this user, admin can remove it like this. Okay, the account will be removed, terminated completely. Next, we have got here user profile. Administrator can check the user profiles. Like for an example, here there is a user. Let me click on the view profile, and this is the profile of the user. Hateful detector is there, in which we can see the users, those who are spreading the hate using the memes. Memes are nothing but they will share some images which contain some offensive or toxic content. Now, in this, administrator can send them a notification of warning to not do such kind of things, otherwise the account will be blocked, or else directly admin can block the user from here. After that, the user will not be able to use the features of this application, social media platform. Next, we have got here blocked hateful users. So we can see here there is a user whose account is blocked. This user cannot log in into the application. If admin wants, okay, admin can unblock the user. Next, we have got here hateful users graph. If you see here, warned users, how many users have been warned, send notification about the hateful memes is 20. Next, we have got clean post users. Clean post in the sense the users, those who are not, okay, those who have not sent any, those who have not shared any kind of hateful memes. Next, hateful post, we have got 2. Blocked users, 1 blocked user is there. Next, under hateful portal, we have got add hateful words, where we can add words here, okay, in which we have mentioned some 10 different categories, like sexual abuse is there. I can give here something, okay, and harassment is there, okay, something, okay, the words, these 2 words have been added into the database. Now if we go to manage hateful words, you can see all those categories and total number of words also displayed here. And sexual abuse, you can see 4 different words are there in that. If we click on view, and we can see here the one which we have added is displayed, okay. Similarly, manage hateful words, harassment, in which we have added kidnap. Next, hateful words graph is there. We can see here how many words have been added in each category. Out of all, sexual abuse category is having 4, okay, words. Next, here administrator can check the feedback of the users about the application, how this platform is interactive or not, whether the user are facing any problems or not, okay, the performance wise analysis or experience what users have done, they can share the information about the application usage. And in this we have given the ratings and reviews. Based on these reviews, we are using here machine learning technique to extract the emotion from this and doing the sentiment analysis. You can see here this text emotion is positive, and we are displaying its relevant emoji also. Excellent means very positive here, okay, some negative text neutral. So this is the sentiment analysis of the feedback of the user. Worst site ever, very negative. Now similarly, we can display here graph of the users feedback. How many users are feeling, okay, very positive, very negative, negative, neutral, 5 classes. Now let's go to the user and try to register a new user in this application. So I will provide here some details. Display name, what you want, and the phone number, city, some date of birth. Profile picture we need to select here. And let me select a profile picture. Then password we need to provide. Register. Now you can see here, after I click on register button, I am getting a message here, validation error. Please make sure password includes a uppercase letter. So we need to provide a strong password, and it should include digit also, as well as it should include the special character. So let me provide a very strong password, because we are doing here JavaScript validation. Now the registration process is completed, and here it says wait for approval. Now let's go to administrator and try to, okay, activate this user account. I'll click on this accept button. Account authorization has been completed. Let's try to log in. User login, and I'll provide here the credentials. Now the login has been successful, and we have been redirected to the dashboard, or we can say the main page of the user, where we can see some post details are there from different users. Some memes sharing has been done here. Okay, these are all the memes shared by other users. Left side we can see here my profile, and let's explore the profile here. This is my profile. If I want to update any information, I can update here. Like for an example, I'm updating the DOB and the information is updated into the database. You can see here. Next we have got here find, where application will recommend some users. Okay, application, our algorithm, profile matching algorithm is there, which will recommend based on the location and based on some other parameters. It will recommend the users by default. If you want, we can go to view profile and send a friend request, or else if you want, you can search for the friend directly from here. Let's say I'll search a friend, and you can see the details are coming. If I go to view profile, I will be having the option to send a friend request. Now the friend request has been sent. Okay, let's try to log out and log in with this account to check what will happen when a friend request is received. So I will log in into the another account, this user, and now once the login is successful, we will see under the friend request, here there is a request from this user. Now view profile, I'll be having the option to accept or reject it. Let's say accept. Now the friend has been accepted. You can see here recently registered is this user. Okay, friend responses, my friend list, you can see it's coming in my friend list now. Let's log in into our account. Login is successful. Next we have got here, let's try to upload the post, or if you want, you can like the others post as well. Like I'll click on this like, and you can see here one like is there. If you want, you can comment also. Comment. Now here, if you expand, if you click on this comment, you can see the already what has been commented by other users. Okay, and share option is also there. Let's try to upload our own post now. The main concept of the project is nothing but here only. Let's try to upload a file. Now here, inside the project folder, there is a folder with the name dataset. Let's go to the dataset, and we are having some files here, which I have downloaded randomly from the internet. You can use any image, download it and use any image. Basically, our algorithm will run on any kind of image. Let's try to upload a clean this one without any kind of offensive or toxic content. I'll upload this or this one. Let's write something very funny. Post, and you can see post uploaded successfully. Right side I can see my post, the recent post what I have done here, and this is the post. When you see the new hires during orientation, don't do it. Some name is there which I have posted. Now let's post a toxic or hateful meme. So I'll share this one. Okay, what it says, let's try to open it. The meme says worships cows, kidnap, rape and kill young girls. So let's share this, as we are having dynamic data set we have already added. Okay, this name contains the offensive content, so let's try to upload this. Look into this meme. Something, okay. I'm trying to post a hateful meme. Let's see our algorithm, hateful meme detection algorithm works correctly or not. And you can see here we have got a message. Your post contains offensive content. Your upload is declined. Okay, the post has been declined. It's not available. You cannot see here. Our algorithm, okay, have worked correctly. Now let's go to administrator and check what's happening here. Under administrator, hateful detector, we have got hateful users, in which you can see right now there is a user with this name who has used this image which contains some hateful content. Now if administrator wants to send the warning notification to that user, he can click on this warning. Let's try this. User, okay, warning has been sent. Let's come here and refresh it. You will notice that now inside the notification, this bell icon, you can see there is a message available. If you click on view more, you will see here admin has detected offensive content on your post. We recommend you to stop posting offensive content or else your account will be blocked. So this is the image, okay, shared by this user on this date and time. So this is the notification we have received on sharing a hateful meme from the administrator. I'll just click on this mark as read. Now if again I'm trying to do such kind of thing, okay, the administrator will block my account. Okay, let's try to upload this. Your post contains offensive content. Okay, let's log out now. And if I go to administrator and if I go to hateful detector, hateful users, let's block this user now. User blocked. So I need to go to the project location and come to the address bar, remove everything, type CMD here, press enter. And I can say here code space dot to open this project folder in the Visual Studio Editor. Now already it's open. You can see here, this is the Explorer window where you can explore your project files. And if you go to Profile Matcher folder, there is a file with the name settings.py where you can see database information will be available. Basically, this is a complete settings file where configuration of the project level will be done. And here you can see the database information, like what is the database engine we are using, it's MySQL. And what is the name of our database is hateful meme detection. User, okay, what is the user is nothing but root. To connect to the MySQL, the username is root. The password is nothing, the blank password, and the port number is 3306. Where is the MySQL server hosted? It's hosted in the local system. Where is the front-end code? If you go to the assets folder, there is a folder with the name templates. 3 different folders you will find. Every folder contains its respective front-end code. For an example, admin folder contains all the admin HTML files. Okay, if you want here, you can edit anything and save it. Similarly, user folder contains user HTML files. And this main folder contains the common HTML files for both admin and user. Backend code. Let's see the backend code. Where is the backend code? As we know it very well in Django framework, we will have the concept of project and apps. A single project can contains multiple apps. So this project is having 3 different apps here. One app is admin app, second app is main app, third app is the user app. Okay, this user app. So if you open these apps folder, you will find very similar files will be there. Same files, but the code will be different. Basically, the backend code we will write in views.py file. Okay, views.py file. So this is the views.py file for my user app. Every function, every action will have function here. All these are functions, like first is the user login function, next user register function, user post function is there. Similarly, we are having here user notifications, mark as read function, like post. Okay, next we have got main app. We will not have much code here, only 3 functions are available. Admin app backend, this is the admin app backend code. admin dashboard, admin login, admin pending users, accept users, reject users, all users. Okay. So this is the backend code for the administrator. Complete. So this is the complete project explanation and execution. Hope you have understood it very clearly. If you have still any doubts, you can ping me on the WhatsApp number given in this video. With this, I conclude the project execution and explanation. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.